Hello, Elizabeth and Stella here, and today we are doing a mess-free painting activity for babies and toddlers. This activity is a great way to introduce your little one to art without having to worry about mess or anything dangerous going into mouths. You probably already have the materials you need, and if not, they can all be bought at the dollar store. To set this up, all you need is a plastic Ziploc bag, some paint, cardstock or thick paper, and tape. I'm using pink, red, purple, and gold paint and heart-shaped cutouts for a Valentine's Day theme, but you can use any colors for different holidays or just for fun. Add some blobs of paint in different colors scattered across your paper. Less is more here, you don't need a ton of it. Then, put the cardstock in a Ziploc bag and seal it tightly with as little air as possible. Then tape it down securely across all four edges to whatever surface your child will be seated at. I used my baby's high chair tray, which worked great. Once the bag is nice and secure and it's not going anywhere, it's ready to let your child explore. My baby is in a phase of scritchy scratchies and happy slaps, so she had a great time beating up her Valentine like it owes her money. As the blobs of paint get flattened and pushed around, a beautiful masterpiece is created. Once they're all done, you can remove the tape and carefully pull the paper out of the Ziploc bag. And finally, transfer it to a piece of parchment paper to fully dry. If the paper you used isn't thick enough, the paint might soak through it too much and tear it apart. So it's best to use cardstock, Bristol board, cardboard, or even thin wooden cutouts. And here is the final result. We hope you found this video helpful, and if you enjoyed our content, we would love for you to subscribe to our channel and leave a comment letting us know what sort of videos you'd like to see in the future. See you later!